SS-969SMD Rework stations features microprocess control, brushless motors quiet in operations, auto sleep and work mode, auto cool off, module design for easy repair. Microprocess controlled closed circuit sensor design, high power and quick warm-up times. Large LCD display, temperature range from 100 to 450 degrees, airflow and volume adjustable. Comes with brushless motors, long service life, quiet in operation. Handle with sensor design provides real-time operation convenience. Auto cool off process, leave the blower on until the temperature under 100 degrees to prolong the life of the heating element. Includes 3 different size nozzles cover different users' demand. Proskit SS-969SMD Rework Station, stable, durable, and variable unit is your best choice. Proskit, a friend that you can trust.